Good morning, welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today on Resin Thursday, we're gonna have something a little bit different. I haven't seen it except for on Facebook or TikTok or whatever, and it was already covered. It's using tiles. I'm gonna use these 4 molds. I already pick up my tile. These are gonna be diamond style in different colors, right? And then I'm gonna put a little bit of crushed glass in the middle depending on the color. Now there's 2 colors that are the most appropriate. These I wanna dust it with silver metallic powder, and I'm gonna do 2 of them because 2 colors are the most appropriate silver for them, okay? And then 2 with the rustic gold are this one, because warm color goes with gold and cold colors go with silver most of the time, okay? So I'm gonna do that. It's an experiment that I'm doing. So I'm gonna dust 2 with silver. I'm not gonna use my glove. This one hasn't been opened yet. Let me see if I can. Let me get closer. Trying to accommodate myself a little bit better so you guys can see. Okay, so I'm gonna dust this. I'm gonna fast forward, okay? This is from Less Resin metallic powders. Okay, so we got two in gold and two in silver. So now I'm gonna prepare the resin. I'll be back. Okay. For the bottom part is I got 40 milliliter each. So that's what, 160 millimeters. So I'm gonna prepare the resin. When we come back, I'm gonna put a little bit of the silver glitter, fine, and for each one of them, okay? So I'll be right back. Well, now, excuse me. Now that I mix the resin, I'm gonna pour in 4 different containers because it's 40 millimeters for each bottom of the coaster, okay? And then I put the glitter on it. So let's get started. I gotta let it dry before I put the tiles on it. Now, I'm gonna leave it about half an hour, 1 hour, to dry, and then we're gonna put the tiles, and then we put the coat, the back coat. Well, I let it pass 1 hour, right? And this is still soft, which is okay because then I can put and kind of, you know, but I think I should have put this in the machine. I don't know if this is gonna come out correctly the way I want it. Let's see what happens. Okay. So I'm gonna put it in the machine for about a low temperature for about 2 hours, and then we come back, and then we're gonna have to do another mixture to complete the coaster. Okay, we'll be back in a while. Well, it's the next day. 24 hours have passed. I poured on 2 of them the resin, the clear one, but there was 2 epic fails. It seems like when you put these things in, you're probably gonna have to harden real good the first coat and then put the tiles, maybe put it with a little bit of UV resin, and then pour the rest, because otherwise they're gonna move. So let me show you what happened. Here is the first one. You see, it didn't stay the way it was. If you go back, you're gonna see this is supposed to be the front. You see? This is what happened. Otherwise, it would have turned out pretty. Although, I could use it without the glitter. I just thought I love glitter, man. But not always you can use glitter. Here is a blue one. Also, the color in the corner mixed with the... This it look like it's not so bad, but my problem is that, you know, these ones were too separated. Like this one. So, you know, I didn't pour the rest of the coat on here. Now, to the other two. The ones that really turn out better. Here's one. This is, let me mold it. These molds are easy. You see the whole thing because I poured the second coat. And here it is. But all these it mix up. I'm planning to do something different, like use the crush glass, a color crush glass, and use a color because these are the only ones that I have left. They didn't came that many of it of that color, so I don't have another set of blue to do it. So here is one that came out a little more decent. Still they moved a little bit, but they didn't got separated like the one so much like the one on blue. But, you know. And here's the other one. This one has I can take that out. Here's this one. This one got separated, but kind of from the same place. And that would be neat if I put a white on the background. So, you know, like something white. Let me check. Yeah, that would be nice. But, you know, I'm gonna use them. That's for me. That's for my use. So, this is it. I'm gonna be redoing this, but some other way. So, hopefully... Oh, these are two big bubbles in here. They didn't get enough. No, it's no bubble. They didn't have enough resin on it. But that's okay. But these are pretty. I like these coasters. So thank you for watching. Hope you know, even though it's a fail, hope you like this video. Hold up. Even it's a fail, I hope you like the video. And please hit the like button. Because, you know, you can learn from mistakes. Okay? And comment below, you know. And if you have any suggestion, if you are an expert on resin art, please let me know. I'm open to, you know, to advice. I hardly have any time to watch the channels that I like. So, thank you for watching again. Have a wonderful week. Have a wonderful weekend. And don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.